giving my time for you. Shut it back, she got attitude. If you're down to the avenue, come over my place. I give you the best of you. Shall you find my attitude? Come with me, my attitude. Baby, asan na yung pangako? Nasabi mo na wala kang itinatago. Pero bakit ganon? Naging ganon. Oh, ganon, ganon, ganon. I give it my time for you. Should I bash your attitude? If you're down to the avenue, I give it the best of you. Should I find my attitude? Come with me, my attitude. Yeah, I've been working all day, but I give you my time for you. Should I bash your attitude? If you're down to the avenue, baby, come over my place. I give you the best of you. Should you find my attitude? Come and be my attitude. What you want to say, so for your delete, I say no. Every day I'll be flexing you because you ain't hoe, you and me. Combination not too high end. Ato ta sa bukid kay nindot dito ang silence. Mga musilan, ikaw ra akong fee. Tuuhilang ko, ikaw gipalabi. I'm not lying to you, babe. I've been tripping, I've been playing. No. If you want to say so, you delete, I say no. Every day I be flexing you because you ain't oh, you and me. Combination not too high end. I thought that's a bookie.